Hi, welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have a PTO version coolant style heat exchanger. It can also be used as a post heater for any kind of truck mount. A lot of people use it as the primary heater. Gets great heat, well constructed unit. And we have the 3/8 mil pipe thread for your water connections on both ends, identical. And then we have all stainless bushings that will accommodate the street L, the 3/4 street L for your hoses and your radiator hoses that go back into your engine. So here we have it, it's 33 inches long, 4 inches of stainless housing. Okay, stainless 3/16 thick, so that's schedule 10. It's all been nicely TIG welded, and we sell these for $1,195 plus shipping. And as you can see, the brackets at the bottom, they're nicely cut. And you would put those on those saddle shelves that are either coming out on the floor or coming out from your waste tank. And they're 3/16 thick, stainless, so they're really nice. Everything's well constructed, well tigged, beautiful setup. We sell these to also people with 1200 White Magics, the 4.7 Hydramasters, the CDS PTO units that are out there. And some people use it as a post heater or a preheater for their other truck mounts. We do have the fittings that can, with a larger opening, that where we can put a 1.5 on the end of this as well to accommodate larger header pipe sizes. And so it's a nice unit. 3,500 pounds pressure rated stainless tubing incorporated into this housing. Call us today at 727-505-2989. Ask for Pete, or go online at truckmountstore.com and you can order it right online. And you'll like our products. And we even have the Baron slider, which is our new maintenance rollout bed that you can put right into your truck and roll out your whole machine and be able to stand up doing routine checks and maintenance and repairs without having to kill your knees and your back. So call us today for that as well. We have our inline filter boxes, the first one that actually works in the industry. It's 3/16 thick inline filter box. You'll like that as well. We have a lot of new products coming out. Well, until the next video, have a great day. Thank you.